Creating fillable forms in ONLYOFFICE. Content control features in ONLYOFFICE help you create documents with customized fillable forms to make work with standardized official docs much easier and faster. To create a field in the document, find Content Control Features in the Insert tab of the document editor. Now, select a place in the document where you want to insert a field. Click Content Controls icon and select a desirable type of content control: plain text or rich text that supports list paragraphs and objects. Other types include date, drop-down list, picture, combo box, and checkbox. We are going to use plain text field in our example. Replace the sample text with your own. Here you can hint what kind of information your recipient is supposed to fill in. You can create as many fields in your document as you want. You can customize the appearance of your fields. Change filling color in the highlight settings of Content Controls menu. Change border color and decide whether it will appear in the bounding box in the control settings. The setting can be applied to a single control or in bulk. To make sure your content controls will not be deleted or changed by others, check the corresponding boxes in the control settings. Now your form is ready to be filled. The final step is to share the document. We introduced a special type of access rights that allows only filling forms. It works also with external link sharing. We wish you make the most of content controls in ONLYOFFICE. Try it now in both online and desktop editors.